Hello everyone, my name is Pratiksha Singh and I'm thrilled to share my experience with Go Abroad Training Institute Private Limited.
I contacted many abroad consultants, but my search ended up at Go Abroad Training Institute. At this place, I met Seva ma'am. She helped me with the listing of all the universities and colleges, and I finally ended up at University of Canada West.
Truly hard to put into words how I feel right now. His consultancy has been instrumental in helping me achieve my dream of studying in Canada.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashri Korcha.
Are you searching for the best study abroad consultant? Hello guys, I'm Javeria from Sydney, Australia, born and brought up in Kanpur, India.
Do you want to achieve your dreams?
I scored an efficient 8.5 in my IELTS test in a single attempt.
Through their excellent guidance and continued support, I excelled in my IELTS and achieved an outstanding score of band 8.5.
My name is Muntaha Khan. I have completed my 12th standard from Hadar High School, Kanpur. Now I have decided to study abroad, and for that I am consulting Go Abroad Training Institute Private Limited.
Their exceptional coaching for IELTS helped me to achieve my desired band score, and with their assistance I successfully secured admission in University of Birmingham for pursuing an LM in criminal law and criminal justice.
They helped me prepare all the documents, including visa filing, tuition fee transfer, etc. Hence, Go Abroad Training Institute provided me with all the services right from the scratch till the final settlement in Canada.
12th पास करने के बाद इसने मुझसे बोला कि पापा मुझे बाहर पढ़ना है। मैं बोला ठीक है बेटा, और आप पता करो इंस्टीट्यूट कोई।
I'm from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and now I live in Canada with permanent residency.
I'm Dan Haris sir and Seva ma'am.
Scored 7.5 band in my first attempt.
I was there at your seat 5 years ago, and Mr. Harris helped me change my life.
Searching for a genuine IELTS coaching was becoming a tedious task. I went to several IELTS coaching institutes, but all of them were making false promises.
With their support, I cleared my IELTS exam with a score of band 7.5. The IELTS training, guidance and support here at Go Abroad Training Institute Private Limited is unparalleled.
The entire team at Go Abroad Training Institute Private Limited worked with honesty and sincerity.
If you're looking for an honest study abroad consultant providing the best service, then contact Go Abroad Training Institute Private Limited.
From IELTS coaching to settling abroad, they provide comprehensive support. Their dedicated team of experts offers honest guidance to the student.
कई कंसल्टेंट के पास ले गई तो वहाँ मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया।
I got to score 7.5 bands in IELTS in a single attempt.
All thanks to the Go Abroad Training Institute Private Limited, who provided me with one of the best IELTS education and guidance through online classes.
I discovered Go Abroad Training Institute Private Limited, which is the best IELTS training institute in India, and I am truly grateful for that.
I can proudly say it is the best IELTS coaching institute in India, providing both online and offline IELTS classes.
I've got an offer letter and scholarship from the University of Wollongong, Dubai.
Go Abroad Training Institute Private Limited can help you achieve that. Mr. Harris can help you achieve that.
आप एक बार इंस्टीट्यूट में आइए, बहुत अच्छा इंस्टीट्यूट है।
I would also take this time to extend my heartiest gratitude to my IELTS teacher, Mr. Haris Riaz, without whom it would not have been possible for me to pass IELTS exam with a great score of 8 bands.
Their offline and online classes effectively taught me skills necessary to achieve an 8+ band score.
I'm progressing to University of Michigan Flint.
They also helped me with my visa application.
There are a lot of courses in UK, from BBA to MBA, nursing, dentistry, PhD and a lot more.
I started preparing for my IELTS and scored 7.5 band.
Before leaving, I got a pre-departure orientation session and they trained me with various design softwares to help me with my assignment.
I got admission at University of Messina in Italy with 100% scholarship.
Mr. Haris Riaz is not only a good teacher, I would say he's a great friend and he's a great advisor who not only teaches you what to study, but he teaches you how to study. He teaches you the right technique and the right method to crack IELTS exams successfully.
Go Abroad Training Institute proves to be a constant companion, providing you with the IELTS training, CV preparation, shortlisting of the universities, as well as assisting in the visa application process.
Provide end-to-end support throughout the application. So if you want to go abroad, you should join Go Abroad Training Institute.
All the preparation of IELTS and my guidance and everything is brought by Mr. Haris Riaz. He is the owner and the director of Go Abroad Training Institute. So if you're looking forward to go abroad, just join Go Abroad Training Institute.
Do not go anywhere else, do not waste time looking for any coaching center. Go Abroad Training Institute is the one for you.
Contact Haris sir from Go Abroad Training Institute Private Limited.
Go Abroad isn't just a consultancy, it's a support system. If you're planning to study abroad, I truly recommend starting your journey with them.
I strongly recommend anyone to join Go Abroad Training Institute to achieve their desired scores on their way to success.
So, if you want to go abroad, contact and connect with Go Abroad Training Institute Private Limited and have a great future. Thank you.
I am now going to my dream country, Canada.
I highly recommend Go Abroad Training Institute Private Limited to the aspiring study abroad students, as they provide best IELTS coaching and best service of overseas education. Have a great time. Thank you.
I'd recommend everyone to join Go Abroad Training Institute as the services provided by them are exceptional. Thank you.
I highly recommend choosing Go Abroad Training Institute Private Limited, where you will get expert advice for all the services under one roof without any hassle.
I have my personal experience in the excellent services, and if I really proudly recommend everyone, whoever wants to go abroad must contact the Go Abroad Institute of India. Thank you. Bye.
I'm really grateful to Go Abroad Training Institute Private Limited for helping me pursue my bachelor's degree from this university, and I truly recommend you to contact them for your study abroad journey. Thank you so much.
Hey, I'm Aptara Khan. As already know, I'm at the University of Michigan Flint, USA, and it's beautiful here. The people, the environment, the studies, and everything. It's a different world out here, and I am loving it. All thanks to Go Abroad Training Institute Private Limited. Bye.
नमस्कार, मैं लोकिता त्रिपाठी, आराध्य त्रिपाठी की मदर, और इस इंस्टीट्यूट में मेरे बच्चे की बहुत हेल्प की और बहुत सपोर्ट किया। मैं बनारस से हूँ, आज पहली बार इस इंस्टीट्यूट में मैं अफसर से मिलने आई हूँ, और बहुत ही जो है अच्छा सपोर्ट है। अगर किसी बच्चे का ड्रीम विदेश जाने का है तो ये इंस्टीट्यूट सबसे बेस्ट है।